Welcome to our new episode on Hungarian wines and wine regions. And today we'd like to introduce another Hungarian winery and one of their wines. It is Egyeki Kuria. The winery has been established a little bit more than 25 years ago in 1996. It is situated in Egyek at Egyek Öreg-hegy. Öreg-hegy means old hill. It started only with 2 hectares of winery. Right now they have 54 hectares in 2 wine regions, 32 hectares in Egyek and 22 hectares at Sopron. Egyek is a white wine region, and the winery grows their Chardonnay, Sauvignon Blanc and a little bit of Pinot Noir. Sopron is a wine region close to the Austrian border, and it is traditionally a red wine region. The winery grows there mostly Cape Francoche. You may know this grape variety as Blanc Frankish. Since this wine is a white wine and it is from the Egyek region, I'd like to tell a few more things, and I'd like to concentrate more on this wine region. It is one of the smallest and one of the most central wine regions. It is the closest one to the capital, only about 20 or 30 kilometers from Budapest. It is characterized by windy plateaus and lots of sunshine. Despite receiving quite a lot of sunshine, it is still one of the coolest regions thanks to the relatively high altitude. The soil is predominantly limestone, and because of these terroir characteristics, sometimes this region is compared to those of Champagne and Sancerre in France. Since it is a sparkling wine, I would like to tell a few words about Hungarian wine law on sparkling wines. The Hungarian wine law distinguishes 3 types of sparkling wine. The first one is mostly as you know it, so Champagne, Cava, Prosecco, Crémant. They are basically the first group of sparkling wines. The pressure in the bottle should usually be around 5 to 6 bars. The second group is the so-called semisparkling wines, just as this bottle here. So a Frizzante would be a sparkling wine belonging to this second group. The pressure in the bottle is usually at least 3 bar and between 3 to 5 bar. And the last group is the so-called BD wines, so they are just slightly sparkling, and the pressure is from 1 bar to 2.5 bars. The general rule of thumb is the higher the pressure, the finer and the smaller the bubbles are. This bottle of Frizzante is a blend of 3 grapes. 2 of these grapes are indigenous Hungarian ones, Zenit and Királyláka, and the 3rd grape is Szürke-Barát. You may know it by its international name of Pinot Gris. So shall we try it? So as I mentioned, it is a blend of 3 different grapes, and all the 3 different grapes were matured separately in stainless steel tanks for 3-4 months, and then blended together and carbonated, and this is the result. White florality, some white lilies, snowdrops, peach, citrus fruits of course, green apple, pear, palate is consistent with the nose. Citrus fruits are the more dominant notes here, with the green unripe apples, some white peach, and around medium plus minerality and acidity. Really pleasant to drink. Would be perfect for hot summer nights or as an aperitif. Very enjoyable. Thank you and see you next time.